All right. Hey, garden dreamers. So, I'm going to talk about one of my easiest things to grow, which is onion sets. And I've been doing it for maybe 2-3 years, and I feel is the easiest that I grow. And I usually get my sets from Dixondale's. They come, I'll show you guys a little video. And I have 2 other videos. I'm out of breath because I was dancing. All right. I have 2 or 3 other videos of how I start my onions. But anyway, they come in sets, and then you just stick them in. I put some bone meal, and they're pretty easy. I put them in January, and by May-ish, they're already ready. But this year, I grew them from seeds, and I'm super excited. Let me show you. So, one of the years, it was up maybe 2 years ago, I planted an onion from the store. I grew it indoors in water, and the roots came out, and then I just stuck it in here. But I never ate it because it bolted right away, and bolted means it flowered. And technically you could still eat a bolted onion, but you have to eat it quick. You can't store it. It won't store well. Anyway, it was here, it bolted. Actually, I still have some coming out right here that are starting to bolt. You want to see them? And I'm not too sure if this is the same one of that this one. It was that same grocery store one. Anyway, after it bolts, it takes, I don't know, maybe like a month for it to dry out. Oh, and when it's bolted, the bees love it. So it's actually a pretty like white flower. It's really pretty. I leave it dried, and then I put like an organza bag on top of it to store the seeds so they wouldn't fall. So I put the organza bag on it, collected the seeds, and this past October, so 5 months ago now, I threw the seeds over here, and yay, they're growing. I'm so excited. So I have this paper, the National Garden Association. I got it I'll post it a little clearer, and it tells you when to put like onions. Up here it says sow seeds indoors, January 7th through January 14th. Or you could transplant, just like the starters, you could transplant them January 24th to February 23rd. The transplants that I do, the sets, I've done it at the beginning of January and mid-January. And they're, like I said, usually done by May, like in 5 months. But like I said, in October, I planted the seeds, and I just threw them down because I had a bunch, and they're growing. I'm so excited. So as you can see, like a lot of them are like close to each other because I just threw them down. I didn't put them all organized or anything, or I didn't space them out. And here are some, I think these are just from last year. These huge ones, these aren't the seedlings. These are from last year. And there's more over here. This massive thing, I need to take it off. There's more sets over here. Oh, and so this year I'm thinking that I'm going to collect the starters and I'm going to experiment and see if I can store them and hold them onto them to put them next January. So like this one seems kind of thick already. All I'm going to do is take it out. I'm trying not to like ruin the roots. I took one out a couple days ago, so I'm gonna either give them away, but I think it's too late to plant now. I'm not too sure. So I would come out maybe like twice a day to water, just to keep it moist when I put the seeds down in October, until I saw them kind of sprout. And I didn't put anything down since these were kind of covering the spot. I just kind of covered it with that so it could like retain the moisture. But like over here, I'll show you. So he built these for me and I put marigold seeds down, and I had these lying around. So I put them over, and it keeps the moisture in, and that way I don't have to come out 2 or 3 times to water it. And it's already sprouting, the marigolds. You could put something on top of the onions. That way you don't have to water them that much. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that I grew from seed. And like in this paper that I showed you, let me get it. In the paper I showed you, where it says direct sow seeds, it doesn't even have a date. I don't think they think they're able to grow them here from seed. But like I said, I did it in October because I had a bunch of seeds that I saved. Threw them down. I was like, they might not grow. I don't care. But they grew. I was so excited. But like I said, I'm going to save some of these, see if they store well. I think you just have to store them in like 40, 50 degrees, like in either like a mesh bag or what's it called? What's the word? Cardboard box. I lose words. Or like a cardboard box, like with holes in it, like to aerate, so it doesn't retain like moisture and then start growing. So I'm gonna try it. I have a bunch that are just growing really close together. I'm gonna let them grow a little more. This one was, I think, kind of ideal, but some of them are still a little thinner than this. So I'm gonna let them grow a little more, and then I'm gonna leave some, see how well they do by May, June. See if I could pull them out and I actually got onions. Anyway, just wanted to share how easy the onions are and that I was successful with the onion seeds and that it's one of my easiest crops that I sow. And I love onions. I think I got maybe 40 starters from Dixondale and then all these that are growing. So I'm excited because every time I grow them, I run out, but I want them obviously for the whole year. So anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what your easiest crop is. I'm in El Paso, Texas. It's hot here. It's too cold. It's too hot. It's too windy. It's very difficult. So just wanted to show you guys what I thought was one of the easiest ones. Like, follow. Thanks for watching.